So now we're gonna sew on the ears, and it helps to use some pin needles to place them where they are supposed to go, because we want to be very exact here. So the cat looks really good. And as you can see, we are gonna have a distance of 3 rows. Here it's a little bit less, but here it's 3, so it's in the middle. Just check always from all sides that the ears are, that they have the same distance from the center. And I'll also make sure that they are here in the middle, not too far to the front, not too far to the back. Just check from all sides if it looks good for you. You can also move them how you prefer. Maybe you prefer them to be a little bit more in the front. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good here. Okay, and now we're gonna sew them on. So now I'm gonna sew the ears on. I'm gonna start with the top here. And as they are flat and we are not going into stitches, you have to improvise a little bit. But I recommend to go like this. You went in here already, and now move down like this with every stitch. Then go back into the ear and go in the last stitch. It's like the mattress stitch, but with a flat piece. Go back into the ear. Go back where you came from. Go back where you came out. Make sure that the edges are nicely sewn in. So you are forming a nice triangle. And I'm already kind of hiding the yarn here. Yeah, and that's it. That's what we want here. And I didn't hide the beginning of the yarn yet. And you're going to repeat this for the other ear. I'm just hiding the yarn end. And I will meet you back when you finished your ear, the second ear. So I sew on all the ears. And now we can sew on the tail. And then for the last step of sewing pieces, we are gonna make the feet and the paws, the front paws and back paws, and then I show you how to sew them on. Now I'm gonna show you how to sew the tail on. Make sure that it's sewn on really in the middle. And some rounds above the bottom. So I'm gonna go in here, and we want to make sure that the pretty side shows to the front, so it has to go on like this. So I'm gonna go in the stitch here, then back into the body, then into the stitch, and back into the body. And now it's very loose, so I always go over there a few more times. And also get into the previous rounds. So the tail stays in one direction. So like this, very nice. Okay, and we now finish the tail sewing. Now I'm gonna show you the paws. Here they are already sewn on, but I'm gonna show you how to crochet them. Okay, and now we are gonna start with the chain 2. And now you are gonna make 4 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. That's the paws. Cut the yarn, leave some end, and make 3 more, so we have a total of 4. So now I finished my 4 legs, and as you can see here, these are more going down and these are going more forward. So those are the back paws, like she's sitting, and those are the front paws, standing in the front. And these back paws are sewn on 1 round lower, and you have about 4 to 5 rounds left. So this is the distance you want to have where you sew them on. And also I recommend to first pin them all on, so you can make sure that they are in the center. I also recommend to first sew on the front paws. And then you have a few stitches distance here. I'm now almost done sewing on the feet. As you can see here, it's 1 round lower. And I want to show you a little trick. Now when I'm hiding the yarn ends, as you can see, we cannot really sew like around here and hide it like this. So because of the colors, you would see the dark yarn. So I take both of the yarn ends and make them come out at the same place. Oops. And make them come out at the same place, and then I make a knot. Push the knot inside, and then just cut your yarn. Just cut your yarn and stuff the ends in. And that's it. You can also move it around so the stuffing is over it. Nothing to see here. So that's all the limbs sewn on. And now we are gonna do the fun part. I think that's the fun part. The stitching of the face. Here you can see how it's gonna look, and this is gonna make such a huge difference. Okay, let's go.